Adventure is the whisper of the unknown, beckoning us to step beyond the boundaries of our comfort and embrace the uncharted. It calls to us from the deep recesses of our souls, inviting us to embark on journeys that defy the mundane, transcend the ordinary, and awaken the dormant spirit within. In the heart of adventure, we find ourselves shedding the armor of routine and predictability. It's here that we dare to surrender to the raw and unpredictable nature of the world. The embrace of the unknown can be both exhilarating and terrifying, but it's precisely in this crucible of uncertainty that we discover our truest selves. Adventure is not merely a physical journey. It is a profound inner exploration. It challenges our limits, both physical and mental, and unravels our deepest fears and insecurities. It's a mirror reflecting back our strengths and weaknesses, forcing us to confront and conquer the obstacles that stand in our way. In doing so, it empowers us with a sense of agency and self-belief that can transform not only the way we view the world, but also the way we perceive ourselves. Each adventure, whether it unfolds in the depths of a dense forest, atop a towering mountain, or within the pages of a book, gifts us with the opportunity to grow, to learn, and to evolve. It is a mentor that imparts wisdom through experience, teaching us to adapt, to improvise, and to appreciate the beauty of the unexpected. Adventure is a master storyteller, etching vivid narratives into the tapestry of our lives and leaving us with a wealth of memories that define our journey. But adventure isn't just about conquering physical landscapes. It's a metaphor for life itself. It reminds us that life is not a spectator sport, but a participatory endeavor, where the most profound lessons often lie beyond the comfort of the known. It encourages us to embrace change and to navigate the ever-shifting tides of existence with courage and grace. Adventure invites us to be present, to savor the exquisite beauty of the moment, and to relish the exquisite thrill of the unknown. It teaches us that, in the end, it is not the miles we travel, but the depth of our experiences that defines our journey. It encourages us to seek meaning and purpose in every step we take, in every decision we make, and in every encounter we have. So let us embrace adventure as a lifelong companion, a guiding star that leads us to the hidden treasures of our own potential. For in adventure, we discover not only the world, but also the boundless horizons within ourselves. It is the sacred path to the extraordinary life we were meant to live.